Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to seamlessly export data from Airtable and import it into Google Sheets. This detailed guide is designed to help you navigate the process with ease, ensuring that your data is smoothly transitioned between these two powerful tools. By the end of this video, you will have the confidence to manage your data efficiently, making it ready for further analysis or sharing with others. Let's dive right into it. If you've been using Airtable, you're already familiar with its strengths as a dynamic database management platform. However, there are times when you might want to analyze your data further or share it using Google Sheets. That's where this guide comes in handy. First and foremost, open up your web browser and type in the URL for Airtable. Once the page loads, you'll see various features and options that Airtable offers. If you haven't logged into your Airtable account yet, now's the time to do so. Simply click on the Sign In button. If your browser has saved your credentials, it might automatically fill them in for you, sparing you a bit of extra effort. If not, just enter your username and password manually. After that, click the Continue button to access your account dashboard where all your bases, Airtable's term for databases, are stored. Now that you're logged in, let's find the specific base you want to export. On your dashboard, browse through your bases and click on the one that contains the data you need to move over to Google Sheets. Once inside, you'll be presented with various views of your data. What you're looking for is the grid view. This view is essentially a spreadsheet format of your records, making it perfect for exporting. You can spot it at the top of your screen among other view options. Click on it to display your data in a grid format. With your data in grid view, you're ready to start the export process. Look for the option labeled Download CSV within the Airtable interface. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple file format that's ideal for transferring data while preserving its structure. Clicking this option will prompt your browser to begin downloading the CSV file to your computer. This file will typically save to your Downloads folder, but you may be prompted to choose a different location if you prefer. Now let's shift our focus to Google Sheets, the destination for your exported data. You can access Google Sheets either through your Google Drive or directly by typing the Google Sheets URL into your browser. Once you've opened Google Sheets, you'll want to create a new sheet. Do this by selecting the blank option, which gives you a fresh canvas to work with. Importing your CSV file into Google Sheets is straightforward. Look to the toolbar at the top of Google Sheets and click on File. Then, navigate to the Upload tab. Here, you can either drag and drop your downloaded CSV file or click to select it from your files. Google Sheets will then ask how you wish to import the data. Choose Replace Current Sheet to overwrite the blank sheet with your CSV data. Finalize the process by pressing Import Data. And just like that, your Airtable data is now successfully transferred into Google Sheets. This data is ready for you to manipulate, analyze, and share as needed. Whether you're collaborating with team members or preparing a detailed report, this method ensures that your data is easily accessible and manageable. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to export Airtable to Google Sheets, a detailed guide. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel